Good morning, students, and we are going to discuss about the Knowledgepedia facts and knowledge. First page. Okay. Now see. Here are 4 topics. First one is Taj Mahal, and Taj Mahal is one of the most beautiful monument in the wonders of the world, and it was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan as a memorial of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Now here are many questions. Who built Taj Mahal and Shah Jahan? Why in the memory of his wife? And what was the name of his wife? Mumtaz Mahal. Where it is built? In Agra. In which state? Uttar Pradesh. Now I am going to show you the next monument. And this is Golden Temple. And Golden Temple is also known as Harmandir Sahib or Darbar Sahib, and it is a Gurudwara. It is a pilgrimage of Sikh religion, and it is usually called Golden Temple in English. And it is where it is located in Amritsar. And where is Amritsar? Amritsar is the state capital of Punjab. And usually you will see Sikh people come here to worship or as a pilgrimage. Now comes India Gate. And my dear, India Gate, wait one second. India Gate is an important monument of the city. And which city? New Delhi. And it is a memorial built in the commemoration of more than 80,000 Indian soldiers who lost their life or who were killed during the World War I. And that time India was not independent. India was under the British rule. And Indian leaders who were the leaders of India at that time, they were not willing to participate, but as they were under the British rule, they had to participate, and 80,000 Indian soldiers lost their life. And in memory of this, those soldiers, this was built, and that's why it is also known as Indian Army's tomb, and it is located in New Delhi. Next is Gateway of India, and where it is? In Mumbai. And where is Mumbai? In the state of Maharashtra. Mumbai is also known as Film City. The Gateway of India is synonymous with Mumbai. It is the most famous monument of Mumbai and is the starting point for most tourists who wants to explore the city. And from one side land is starting, and from other side you can see the ocean here in the gateway. Now here are some more question answer, okay, which is from the chapters which you have already studied, and this is your revision. Where is Charminar located? And Charminar is located in Hyderabad, and Hyderabad is in state Telangana. See here, this is the picture of Charminar. What is a baby tiger called? And you know, baby lion, tiger, these are all called cub. And from which family do tiger belongs? From cat family. And where do they live? Forest, and there also in the den. This is the natural home of the tiger where they live. See the picture of tiger with its baby, and they are having golden, white, black stripes on their body. Next is, which qualities of lions are admired universally? All of you know baby lion is also called a cub. Lion also lives in the jungle. Lion is also called the king of the jungle. Lion is also from cat family. These things from cat family. These things already we have studied. Now see, this also we know that lion is strong, powerful, fearless, bold, confident. And these qualities of lions are admired universally. The strong, powerful, bold, fearless and confident makes us very strong, isn't it? And these qualities of animals are also admired. See the picture of lion with its cub, because baby lion is also called a cub. Why do animals make sound? And why do we people make sound? We people make sound to communicate with our fellow beings. Just now I am speaking to send whatever I want to give you a message, so that if you will listen this video, if you will see this video, hear this video, you will be able to know what I want to explain to you, isn't it? Like that only animals also make sound to communicate with their fellow animals. What lesson do we learn from animals? And from animals what do we learn, my dear? We learn from animals to be punctual and do our duty without fail. You will see early in the morning all the animals get up. Birds starts chirping. Cock starts crowing as it is sunrise. And during sunset what you will see? They come back to their home. Means do your work whole day. But as soon as the day is over, come back to your home, take rest, be with your family. And these things, they are very close to the nature also. Animals are very close to the nature, my dear. Animals are very close to the nature. They will do all the things naturally, and they teach us to be punctual, regular, do our duty without fail, and even to be close to the nature. Because you will see there are animals doctor also, it is called veterinary doctor or vet, but very few animals fell sick. Why? Because they are very close to the nature and they do the things naturally, not like we people means waking till 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and we are getting up late. Late night till late night we are working and getting up also late. Animals, you will see early in the morning they start making sound and speaking with each other, and as it is sunset they come back to home. Now next, what is the sound of the dolphin called? And the sound which dolphin makes, my dear, it is called clicks, and the spelling is CLICKS, clicks. Dolphin clicks. See the picture of dolphin. It lives in the water, and right now dolphins, my dear, dolphins are also very few left in numbers, and we need to save dolphin also. They are also endangered animals. If we won't save them, they will also get extinct. Now what is the sound of sparrow called? And I think all of you have heard the sound of sparrow. Right now in Patna we are not able to see crow, sparrow, mynas, but earlier, means 10 to 20 years ago, it was seen all over, and the sound of the sparrow is called chirps. And usually in summer season you will see more sparrows. See the picture of sparrow. Which Indian is an internationally famous yoga guru? And it is Baba Ramdev. He is internationally famous yoga guru, and with yoga he is also related to the naturopathy or Ayurvedic, and he is also a businessman, my dear, because a very big store of Patanjali which branches are spread all over India, and his thought is to remove or to get rid away of the other countries' foreign companies, and to explore our Indian company. I am showing you the picture of Baba Ramdev. And thank you, my dear, for watching this video. Thank you.